On behalf of the entire crew, we're happy to have you on board with us on today's flight to Montreal.
If your seat is equipped with a shoulder strap, bring your chin to your chest and place your hands onto your legs, palms facing up. Elevate your experience with Genesis, with transparent, all-inclusive pricing and Genesis at-home services.
internationale. Il est présentement 12h56 heure locale. Nous vous prions de rester assis avec votre ceinture de sécurité bouclée et vos bagages rangés jusqu'à ce que le consigne de ceinture soit éteinte.